Hey buyers, let's talk about home inspections. A thorough home inspection is key to ensuring your peace of mind and allows you to confidently move forward to closing. Hello, I'm Maria Trujillo with Realty One Group Integrity. A comprehensive inspection reveals hidden issues, conditional concerns, and potential maintenance needs that could end up costing you thousands down the road after closing. Let's break down the key points about home inspections. We recommend several inspections, starting with a home inspection. This is a general assessment of the home's condition. Then we continue with a termite inspection, a roof inspection, a sewer scope, and the HVAC inspection. Depending on the type of property you purchase and its location, we may recommend additional inspections, like a pool inspection or a well inspection. So what's the role of the home inspector? The home inspector examines all aspects of the home and the functionality of all the home systems, providing an oral summary and a written report. He's a generalist, not a licensed contractor for any one specific home system, but he may know a lot about them. These additional inspections will either confirm something the home inspector has already found, or, as their specialist inspections, uncover something that is beyond the findings of the generalist home inspector. Remember, your agent can guide you through this process based on the specific house, neighborhood, market conditions. In the end, you'll have peace of mind knowing you've assessed the property and reduced the risk of unexpected expenses after the close of escrow. I'm Maria Trujillo with Realty One Group Integrity.